Engine sky is clear.
Commencing countdown. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
Water sports like sailing, kayaking, and boating are popular attractions and local activities here in Talisay. At isa sa mga famous destinations for this ay ang Taal Lake Yacht Club. Indeed, Talisay is recognized and dubbed as one of the major sailing destinations in the Philippines. First, I'll try kayaking.
Water sports ba kamo? You don't have to look further dahil dito sa Talisay, isa sa mga pinakadinadayong activities ang kayaking at sailing. Kaya, Kuya Jason, tara na!
Ayon kay Sir Peter, kayaking is a perfect activity for kids and the whole family. O ayan mga katrip, if you have that certain fear of water, you must try kayaking. Isa rin itong masayang water activity that you can have with your family and friends. After that fun kayaking activity, handa na ako to try sailing. Bago pa man nakilala ang Talisay as a major sailing destination, matagal na rin itong ginagawa sa Pilipinas. Pero bago ako lumusong sa tubig, it's a must dito sa Taal Lake Yacht Club na i-educate ang mga first-time sailors on the basics of sailing.
So tapos na tayo sa kayaking, ngayon naman, sailing naman tayo. Pero bago yan, kailangan mo na mag-change outfit, kailangan naka-rash guard na suit, and kailangan natin ng proper briefing. Tutulungan tayo ni Sir Boyet Mendoza para sa briefing natin. Sir?
Okay, so importante na malaman natin kung saan ang gagaling yung hangin. Imagine that ito yung sail mo, okay? So yung wind direction dito nang gagaling, and pag yung boat mo naka-facing dito sa wind direction, ibig sabihin hindi ka pwedeng mag-sail. Kasi etong area ito yung tinatawag nating no-go zone or dead zone. So hindi tayo pwedeng mag-sail within this area. So kailangan natin yung boat at least iharap natin ng 90 degrees kung saan ang gagaling yung hangin. Dito sa likod ng boat, meron tayong tiller extension, may stick. When you push it, yung tiller extension mo, yung boat pupunta sa kaliwa. So ang tawag dyan is upwind. Ngayon, kung medyo malakas yung wind at medyo natatakot ka kasi sometimes yung boat natin kapag medyo umikap na yung wind, tumatagilid siyang ganyan.
Okay. I-release lang.
I-release mo lang yung rope dahan-dahan and then yung power ng sail mo mababawasan. So, kung nakaganyan siya kasi hinila mo siya kanina, bumilis yung takbo, gumanyan siya, pag inirelease mo siya, mababawasan ng power, babalik yung boat sa dati. So, makakapag-sail ka na ulit. Okay.
I think we're all set, so ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's sail away! Isa ang seaweeds sa mga obstacles na pagdadaanan mo when you sail here at Taal Lake. Pero tinuruan ako ni Kuya Boyet kung paano makakalagpas dito.
Kapag lumabas ka, nag-sail ka, dapat yung iyong rudder, ito yung rudder mo, yan, yung blade na yan,
Okay.
dapat yan naka-halfway down. Otherwise, kung nakababa siya, mag-stuck ka sa seaweeds, hindi ka gagalaw. So, yun yung talagang problema seaweeds. Kaya when you go out, dapat yung rudder mo is halfway down lang. Okay, ganun din pagbalik mo.
Ika nga, presence of mind and body is the key to a good sail. At ngayon, oras na para i-apply ang mga natutunan ko kanina sa short briefing ni Kuya Boyet. Now that we know our wind direction, it's time to sail to the reaching zone or 90 degrees away from the no-go zone.
Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Okay, this is the main sheet. The main sheet, siya yung nagko-control doon sa main sail. Okay, when you sheet in like this, it gives more power on your sail. So, bibilis yung boat. Okay, and then pag mabilis siya at medyo natatakot ka, just release like that. So, yung power ng sail mo, mababawasan. Ito naman yung tiller extension. Okay? Parang, ito yung steering mo.
Kumbaga
Okay?
sa kotse, ito yung manibela.
Manabela mo. So, kung kakanan ka, push. Okay? Try mo. Sige, push. Sige. O, diba? O, kumakanan siya.
Kasi siya yung nagko-control dun sa...
Sa rudder, sa boat. So, ngayon, okay yung ginagawa mo. Okay? Kasi yung wind dito nang gagaling, yung direction mo papunta rito. So, ibig sabihin, okay yung lahat ng ginagawa mo dun sa boat. O, diba? Umaandar na yung boat mo. Kinakailangan sa boat, especially pag light wind, dapat huwag ka masyadong magalaw. Para yung momentum mo, kasi nga light wind, para dire-diretso. Hindi siya mamamatay. Kasi kung magalaw ka sa boat, push, pull, push, pull. So, yung boat gaganon. So, mawawala yung momentum. Okay, mawawala yung speed. So, ngayon, medyo okay ka. Okay, natututunan mo. And that's good.
Usually recommended ang mini sailboat called toppers as basic training for first-time sailors dahil sa ito ay magaan lang at isa lang ang sail so it is easier to drive. Pero kung adventurous kayo, you may also try the hobby getaway. Mayroon itong 2 wings at 2 sails. Recommended din ito for beginners because of its comfortability and easy to drive as well. Dahil sa laki niya, hindi rin ito madaling mag-capsize. And if you want to take this sport to the next level, Hobby 16 is perfect for you. It is usually used for racing because it is lighter and the sail is 16 feet high. Ito rin ang madalas na ginagamit sa mga regata or sailing festivals.
Kuya, gaano kalayo yung pwede mong marating sailing dito sa Taal Lake?
Dito sa Taal Lake, lahat pwede mong mapuntahan, pwede mong marating. Especially doon sa kabilang side ng island na yan, pwede ka rin makapunta, pwede mong maikot ang island. Okay? And kapag yung hangin umaabot na ng 15 knots, okay, with this boat, kaya mo siyang ikutin in 3 to 4 hours.
Kuya, humihinto na tayo. Ibig sabihin, papalapit na tayo sa no-go zone o nasa no-go zone na tayo, tama?
Well, kanina yung paghinto natin, it's not your fault.
Okay.
Hindi iyon dahil sa andun ka sa no-go zone.
Okay.
Huminto tayo just because nawala yung hangin.
Alright.
Okay? Yung isa naman kanina, medyo hindi naman tayo huminto, mabagal lang kasi yung hangin nasa sa likod mo and your sail is like this. Okay? So, kung yung hangin andito sa likod mo, yung wind lampasan lang siya sa sail. So, ang gawin mo, kapag yung hangin narito, just let your main sheet out like that.
Alright.
Okay? And your main traveler is out like that. So, para makakatch siya ng wind.
Oh,
And
okay.
tumakbo yung boat mo.
Ano yung best time na mag-sail?
Pinaka the best is from November, December, yan. Kasi yung wind dyan, malakas.
Kuya, ano pa yung mga benefits ng pagsisailing?
Ito kasi, with this boat, wala kang ginagamit na gasolina, so hindi polluted.
Okay.
So hangin lang talaga nagpapatakbo. Like ngayon, nararamdaman mo, unti-unti tayong
Yun
bumibilis.
nga, mas kumukonect
Oo.
ka sa kalikasan.
Oo, so yung sailing at the same time, kapag nagse-sail ka, nag-e-enjoy ka.
I totally agree that sailing is one of the best ways to get in touch with nature. Aside from having fun and learning the sport, I also learned how to appreciate the environment on a different perspective. Up next,